Hello friends and welcome to my channel Codecraft Shop. My name is Salesh Kushwaha and in this course you will learn how to customize CLI downloads in OpenShift, and then in the end we will have a demo. In the demo I will demonstrate each and every step, so guys please watch the video till end. So let us start the topic. Customizing CLI downloads. We can customize or configure links for downloading the CLIs with custom links and URLs, which can point directly to the file packages or to an external web page that provides the packages. So why customization is needed? Suppose I am working in an organization and I am using a lot of tools. So what I can do is like I can list down all those tools which I use, and for that we can customize a page where I can provide all the links so that my peer teammates can download the all the required softwares from that link. So they need not to worry navigating to different pages in order to download the setup files. So one there is one prerequisites for customizing downloads is that we should have a administrator privileges. So if you can see on the screen, so this is the page where we can customize all the download links for all the CLIs or other softwares that are required in an organization, and anybody who can log into so OpenShift cluster can use those links to download the softwares. So now let us come to the procedure for custom download CLI links. In order to customize the web console for custom CLI downloads, we need to log into the web console using admin credentials. Then we need to navigate to this page, that is administration, then custom resource definitions, and then there we will find a hyperlink console CLI downloads, and then we navigate to the instances tab, and then we will create uh, a custom CLI download link using the custom console CLI download button. So if you can see on the screenshot, there is a create console CLI download button. Using that button we can customize the web console for custom CLI downloads. So let us begin the demo. If you haven't subscribed to my channel or you are new to this channel, then please go and subscribe this channel, because this will help you in getting the latest updates whenever I upload. So I have navigated to the web console. I am logging with my admin credentials. Then there in the administrator section, I will go to the administration link, and then there is a custom resource definitions. I will click on this. Inside that, I will find a option console CLI downloads. So if you can see on the screen, there is a console CLI download button hyperlink. So I will click on this, and then we will navigate to instances tab. Inside instances tab, I will find an option that is create console CLI downloads. I will click on this, and then I will edit the contents as per my requirements. So I already have created the template, so I will paste the contents, and then I will click on create button. So if you can see on the screen, uh, record has been inserted, and we will verify the links from this option. There we will find command line tools, and when we click on this page will gets open. This is the custom CLI download placeholder that I have created. So guys, this is all about the demo. You can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter at the handle Codecraft Shop. Thank you.